Hey there, everyone! We've got a real treat today, talking about one of the biggest things on the planet right now, BTS. This 7-member boy band from South Korea has not only captured the hearts of millions, but has also redefined the global music scene. From their humble beginnings to their meteoric rise, BTS has become a cultural phenomenon. This 7-member boy band from South Korea has taken the world by storm, breaking records and setting new standards in the music industry. Their influence extends far beyond just music. They have become icons of fashion, culture, and social change. And it's not hard to see why. Their music is catchy, their dancing is phenomenal, and their stage presence is electrifying. Each member brings something unique to the table, creating a perfect blend of talent and charisma. Their choreography is intricate and mesmerizing, often leaving audiences in awe. And their message of self-love and acceptance resonates with people everywhere. They have used their platform to speak on important issues like mental health, self-acceptance, and social justice. Their partnership with UNICEF for the Love Myself campaign is a testament to their commitment to making a positive impact on the world.
But BTS wouldn't be where they are today without their incredible fans, known as ARMY. That's right, ARMY. This global fan base is not just a group of followers, they are a community, a family. ARMYs are known for their unwavering support and their ability to mobilize for various causes. And trust me, they're a force to be reckoned with. These fans are passionate, dedicated, and incredibly organized. They have been instrumental in BTS's success, from streaming their music to voting in award shows and even participating in charitable activities in the name of BTS. And they show their love for BTS in some truly amazing ways. From creating stunning fan art to organizing large-scale projects, ARMYs go above and beyond to support their idols. They write heartfelt letters, create trending hashtags, and even fundraise for various causes, all to show their appreciation and love for BTS.
We're going to dive deep into the world of BTS and ARMY, exploring their incredible journey, their struggles, and their triumphs. We'll look at how they have managed to stay grounded despite their immense fame, and how they continue to innovate and inspire. Their impact on music and culture, and how they have broken barriers and shattered stereotypes. BTS has not only dominated the charts, but has also made significant contributions to the global conversation on various social issues, and the special bond they share. Get ready for a wild ride. This journey is filled with music, love, and an unbreakable bond between BTS and ARMY. So, buckle up and join us as we explore the phenomenal world of BTS and their incredible ARMY. So, what is it about BTS that has captivated millions worldwide? It's a question that has intrigued many, from casual listeners to dedicated fans. The answer lies in a combination of their musical talent, their heartfelt messages, and their ability to connect with people on a deep emotional level. Well, their music is a fantastic blend of pop, hip-hop, and R&B, genres that are popular across the globe. But it's not just the genre mix that makes their music special. It's the way they infuse their songs with a unique sound that is distinctly BTS. Their tracks are meticulously produced, with each beat and melody crafted to perfection. With infectious hooks and powerful lyrics that speak to the hearts of young people everywhere. Their songs often feature catchy choruses that stay with you long after the music has stopped. But beyond the catchy tunes, it's the depth of their lyrics that truly resonates. They tackle themes that are relevant and relatable, making their music a source of comfort and inspiration for many. They sing about important issues like mental health, societal pressures, and the struggles of growing up. These are topics that are often considered taboo, but BTS addresses them head-on, providing a voice for those who feel unheard. Their openness about their own struggles has helped to destigmatize these issues and encourage conversations around them. And the importance of following your dreams. They encourage their fans to pursue their passions and not be afraid of failure. This message of perseverance and hope is a recurring theme in their music and public appearances. It's a message that has inspired countless fans to chase their own dreams, no matter how big or small. It's music with a message, and that resonates deeply with fans. Their songs are more than just entertainment. They are a source of solace and motivation. Fans find comfort in knowing that they are not alone in their struggles and that there is always hope for a better tomorrow.
BTS has also broken down barriers in the music industry. They have achieved what many thought was impossible for a non-English speaking group. Their success has challenged the norms and opened doors for other artists from different parts of the world. They were the first Korean group to top the Billboard 200 chart, a monumental achievement that marked a significant milestone in their career. This accomplishment was not just a win for BTS, but for the entire K-pop industry, and they've won countless awards around the world. From the American Music Awards to the MTV Europe Music Awards, their trophy cabinet is a testament to their global appeal and the impact they have made on the music scene. Their success has helped to introduce K-pop to a global audience, paving the way for other talented artists from Korea and beyond. They have shown that music transcends language and cultural barriers, bringing people together from all corners of the world.
But it's not just about the accolades. While their awards and achievements are impressive, what truly sets BTS apart is their connection with their fans. They have built a community that goes beyond music, creating a sense of belonging and unity among their followers. BTS's music has brought people together from all walks of life. Their concerts are a melting pot of cultures, with fans from different backgrounds coming together to celebrate their love for the band. This diversity is a testament to the universal appeal of their music and message. Their message of unity and acceptance has created a global community of fans who support each other and celebrate their shared love for the band. This sense of community is one of the most powerful aspects of the BTS phenomenon. It's a reminder that music has the power to bring people together, no matter where they come from or what language they speak.